Hello humans, it's Loki again, and today I'm going to show you my coffee. This is my coffee plant. I got it about 2 years ago, and I could not get the right soil for it in 2020, so it was just sitting in regular old potting soil. What I did for the soil here, I replaced all the soil with a combination, 1 part cactus citrus and 1 part mixed compost and 1 part peat moss. You would think coconut coir would be the one because it's tropical, but coconut is not very acidic and peat moss is much more acidic, and this needs an acid. And it should come out okay, I think, this year.